Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, cruise control, driver attention alert system, power brakes, child safety locks, trip odometer, power windows, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.